So when you're flipping houses, you want the most return on your investment, right? That's the reason why we're flipping houses. Another reason why we're flipping houses is to help people, right? To help people get into great homes. I like to always make sure my quality is good in all of my flips. But the reason you're flipping houses, and let's not get it twisted, it's to make money, right? So return on investment's extremely important. Um, Things that you don't want to put in houses, right? Don't make you the full 100%. You want to make more than you put in. You want to put in a dollar and you want to get a top dollar 10 back. So, for example, things that are not good for return on investment, roofs. Roofs are not good. They look nice, but they're not good unless your roof is completely falling apart. There's leaks in it. There's no reason for you to replace the roof. Windows. Everyone likes a new window, but it just doesn't return. It's just not there. The return on investment's just not there. Um, Driveways, they're not there, right? Unless your driveway, I had a driveway in one of my flips that was crumbling, where you drove on it and you were going to bottom out. That's different, right? You have to replace that. That's something that you have to put in your budget because you can't, curb appeal is a big thing, right? You can't have someone driving up, bottoming out their car. That's not gonna get a buyer. But you don't want to put in money into things that aren't going to get you more than 100% back, right? That's the point of this, is to make money. So things um, that do get your money back are the obvious things, right? The curb appeal. A roof is good for curb appeal, but it doesn't get that full money back. I'm talking about eye level, right? Things that are eye level. Those are the items that will get your money back, right? You don't want to have dirty siding, right? You don't want to have that. You don't want to have siding falling off, things like that. You can have that repaired. But when you walk into a house, things that return, like anything, if you're in real estate long enough, you know this. Kitchens, bathrooms, right? Nice kitchens, nice bathrooms, house super clean, right? Nice floors, anything that is in the house that the person's gonna have a feeling towards, right? They're gonna have a feeling towards that. They're gonna have a feeling towards a kitchen. They're gonna have a feeling towards the bathroom, how that feels to them. And one extra point on that, one extra tip is staging, right? I think I made a video on this as well. Staging is extremely important because it makes the person feel like they can live in the home. That's the point, right? Feelings are everything. When somebody's walking through a house, if they don't feel like they can live in it, they're not going to buy it. So that's very important. I always stage our homes. That's a great return on your investment. That's something that I just truly believe in. But kitchens, bathrooms, light fixtures, those types of things, those can really improve the look of your home and the feel of it on the inside. And those are the things that will return your investment. And at the end of the day, we're here to renovate homes and to make them nice and to really see a person's joy on their face when they're at closing. I love that. But at the end of the day, you're here to make money. So don't put money into things that are not going to get you over 100% back. If you enjoyed this content, follow X Home Builds. Have a great day.